Please press the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, and never miss an update from Passionate Geek.
So hey, what's up guys, PG. So welcome back to Passionate Geek. So guys, today we're going to talk about the custom recoveries. So basically recoveries are made to recover your smartphones, especially in terms of the operating system. If you want to flash anything like upgraded features, root your device, or if you want to get OTA updates, then you need a custom recovery, like the modification of UI or any changes to operating system or system apps. Then you need a custom recovery for that. We have a lot of collection of recoveries here. We have famous recoveries such as TWRP, CWM, FILS are basically the most famous recoveries these days. But for specially Redmi devices, we have two more recoveries here, which is Orange Fox and Red Wolf. So basically a TWRP is not that much stable as compared to other recoveries, because there are some features which is not provided by TWRP but provided by these Orange Fox and Red Wolf. So if you are a Xiaomi lover or you have a Xiaomi device, then I recommended you to switch to the Orange Fox or the Red Wolf recovery, which is quite stable these days for the Xiaomi devices. If Orange Fox or Red Wolves are made up for your devices, you can go check on XDA. If it is suitable, then you are good to go. Actually, TWRP is not that much stable, and also it is not giving you features such as OTA updates. The basic feature is if you are using a TWRP recovery on your Xiaomi devices, then you will not be getting the OTA update. But if you have a Red Wolf or Orange Fox recovery, then you'll get the OTA updates. Also, TWRP is not stable right now for the Xiaomi devices. When you flash the TWRP recovery, you'll get the internal got corrupted or internal shows 0 MB. So also you're not able to boot your device in recovery mode using the combinations. But if you are using that recoveries, the Orange Fox or Red Wolf, then you're able to boot your device in the recovery by using the combinations. So this video is basically an overview of Orange Fox or a Red Wolf recovery for your devices. If you are using any Xiaomi devices, then I recommend you to switch to the Orange Fox or Red Wolf. If you are using any other devices apart from the Xiaomi, then TWRP is the best, FILS is the best, and CWM is, if available, then it is also the best. So I've been using the TWRP recovery, so I'm getting a lot of errors. So that's why I would recommend you to switch to the Orange Fox, and you'll not be getting the error. To flash Orange Fox recovery on the smartphone, the process is almost the same. You have to just follow my previous video and just twrp.img. You have to change it to the new recovery image file, and the process is almost the same. You just need to flash the recovery using your CMD prompt. But if you are already on TWRP and you want to flash through the TWRP, then you need to wipe your internal storage first, then mount your internal, which is quite not possible. It is possible for some devices but not for Xiaomi, especially for this Note 5. But if you are using the Xiaomi device and TWRP is already flashed, then I would recommend you to download the zip of the Orange Fox. If it is available for your device, then download the zip for your Orange Fox and flash through it using the TWRP recovery. So this is just an overview of these two recoveries. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time with the new custom ROMs, custom recovery, and some modifications are coming up. So make sure you subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you.